I'm going to go ahead now and use I am going to use my new at-home nail salon, and I'm going to do my nails. And I'll show you the results when I'm done. And so the nail lamp comes on automatically when you put your hand in it. I have it set for 90 seconds, and I will let my hand stay in there for 90 seconds. Once it hits 90 seconds, it's going to turn off. One thing I do like is that both of my hands can sit in this nail lamp at one time. I'm not sure if it's drying my nails any faster than if I was just sitting around and waiting. I'll just have to see. And it has a cell phone holder right at the top. That's where I'm going to put this cell phone right now. And now I'm going to put my other hand, because I've just been using my hand to record, in the nail dryer. UV nail lamp. And it stopped. So I still have to clean up my nails, but they look pretty good. I'm going to put them in the UV lamp for another maybe 3 minutes, and to make sure that they're completely dried. I don't want any smudges. I want to wear this for a few days. I have used the Nailtopia nail polish, and it is in the color of Harlem Shake. And then I used the Opie Natural Nail Strengthener. I used it as a base coat and a top coat. It was $4.99 at TJ Maxx. And this one was $3.99. And I'm hoping that it does what it says it'll do, because it says it's biosourced, chip-free nail lacquer. So we are going to see.